Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink tanks into the Canon PIXMA TR8620. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here. And the compatible tanks are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. The ink tanks can be accessed here. When it is on, you can proceed to opening its cover. If you are replacing an empty ink tank, be sure to remove the old tanks before starting. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Hold the ink tank with the orange protective cap pointing up, while being careful not to block the Y-shaped air hole. Then, lift up the tab on the orange protective cap to gently remove it off. For this printer, your magenta ink is located farthest on the left, followed by your black ink, then yellow, pigment black ink, and lastly, your cyan, which will be on the far right. Now, press the front of the ink tank to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Make sure that you insert your ink tank into the slot that has the same colored letter as the color you are installing, and make sure not to touch the gold contact points. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each ink tank you are replacing. After you replace all the tanks that need replacing, close the cover. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the tanks being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done, now you're ready to print.